If you want to be an impressive speaker, it's a fact that you have to improve on your accent and pronunciation. What are the ways to improve your accent or the way you speak? There are three ways. One is intonation, second one is modulation, third one is stressing the vowels. Intonation is all about the vocal application of the punctuations. You know punctuations, right? When you write, you use comma, semicolon, full stop, question marks, exclamatory marks. These are called punctuations when you write. The vocal applications of these when you speak is called intonation. So you speak with intonation. For example, yesterday I went to Mumbai with my friend for buying a new laptop. We both went by train. The long pause, the short pause, which come in the places of punctuations, this is called intonation. If you speak with intonation, it will be very clear, right? And the second one is modulation. Modulation is the melody of your speaking. And third one is stressing the vowels. We have to look into these in detail in the following clips.